Dear student, welcome to another class of digestion. Today we are going to learn about digestion of fats in small intestine. So fats are not digested up to stomach. Though they are present in the food, they are not digested up to stomach. When the food enters from stomach into intestine, the digestion of fats starts. For the digestion of fats, bile salts are very crucial. For that reason, fats are not digested up to stomach. In the small intestine, food is mixed with bile juice, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice. Bile juice consists of bile pigments and bile salts. So do you remember the name of two bile salts which are present in the bile juice? Yes, glycocholates and tarocholates of sodium and potassium. So these are the bile salts. These bile salts are very essential for the digestion of fats because they emulsify the fats. What is emulsification? So emulsification is nothing but breakdown of larger fat molecules into smaller micelles. So that is known as emulsification. For that purpose, bile salts are very crucial. If bile salts are not present, then the fats are not digested. Even though our diet consists of fats, but they are not digested and simply they are passed out with the fecal matter. So if the fats are to be digested, then bile salts are compulsory. So that is the main reason that even though the bile juice doesn't contain enzymes, it is crucial for the digestion. Now you understand why the bile juice is very crucial. So next, on the emulsified fats, the lipase which is present in the pancreatic juice and the lipase which is present in the intestinal juice act on emulsified fats and convert them or digest them into diglycerides and monoglycerides. And the monoglycerides are ultimately digested into fatty acids and the glycerols. So, with the formation of fatty acids and glycerol, the process of digestion of fats is completed. So here you have to observe one thing. So here only one enzyme. Which enzyme? Lipase. Lipase is the one enzyme which totally digests the fats. So what are the end products of fat digestion? Fatty acids and glycerol. So these two are the end products of fat digestion. So these two are absorbed by the lacteal which is present in the villi of intestinal wall. So the digestion of fats and absorption of the fats occurs in small intestine. So fats are also essential in our diet. Why? Because some vitamins are present in our food which are fat soluble. Do you remember what are those vitamins which are fat soluble or oil soluble? Yes, vitamin A, D, E and K. So these are the four vitamins which dissolve in fats. So if these vitamins are absorbed into the blood circulatory system, fats are very essential. So for the fat digestion, which juice is essential? Bile juice. In the bile juice, bile salts are essential. So I hope you all understand the process of digestion of fats in intestine. So good fats are very, very crucial for the absorption of vitamins. So in your diet, you have to take fats also in a limited amount. Good fats are very essential. So in the next class, we will study about the digestion of carbohydrates. Until then, keep studying, stay home, and stay safe.